Wow, what a beautiful transformation. She ended up getting this gorgeous shoulder length bob style. She looks amazing. And she cut so much hair off, and hopefully she will be donating it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out some more haircut transformations. So here we have this stylist doing a pixie hairstyle. Now this particular pixie does feature a longer shape as well as some bangs. So nice and chic. Absolutely love the shape. Very nice. And then we have someone else going from long hair to short. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist did add in some color going here. Wow, now this is quite a dramatic makeover. She ended up cutting the hair into a bob and getting some color added. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. The fullness within this bob is just so beautiful. She does have the nice bangs to gently sweep the eye. Very nice. So moving on to the next transformation, she starts off with hair just above the shoulders. Oh, and she also got a beautiful pixie cut complete with bangs. Very nice. This is also a longer pixie style, so she does have quite a bit of length going there in the back. And I love the way that the bangs frames out her face. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. She does have some natural grays going here, some silver. Ooh, and it looks like the hair was cut into a nice tousled bob. She also has the platinum hair color going. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now this is a great option if you're starting to go gray. You could just dye your whole hair platinum and just go with the grayness. Very cute. And I've said this before in another video, but a lot more women are starting to embrace their gray hair. So here we have someone with the contrasting hair color trend. She's got brown and blonde. The stylist puts in some bangs. So she's got some peekaboo color going there in the back, as well as the blonde hidden in the bangs. Beautiful face framing bangs here. Love this style, the color. And she does have some color going there on the sides as well. Very cute. And then we have someone else getting some layers mixed in. So as you guys know, layers is probably one of the biggest trends that we are seeing this year. Oh, wow. Absolutely stunning makeover. The layers is just a great way to add some shape to your strands. I love the way that this came out. Very nice. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. I really like the color combination that her hair has. Very nice dimension. And the stylist kind of did like a sleek and style going back. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.